Hi friends, this video shows how to delete or uninstall unknown apps installed using APK file. Go to Apps tab and here go to right side and here let me set this Total Commander app. This app I installed from unknown source using APK file. Let me press and hold OK button or set button on the remote. See here we can see two options, move and open, but details option is not showing here. That means this app is installed from unknown source, not from the app store. I will show you how to uninstall this app. Go to all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to storage, then go back, go to settings, go down, go to apps, see all apps. From this apps list we need to select that app. Go down, select Total Commander app, select it, select uninstall, select OK, done. So this way we can delete or uninstall apps installed from unknown source or app installed using APK file. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.